In this video, I'm going to show you how you can now stake Kyber and earn rewards. I really hope you enjoyed this video today, and if you do, then please give me a like, hit the subscribe button, and share if you feel that others may benefit. Also, please do head over to my website at everybithelps.co.uk for more tips, reviews, and step-by-step guides. Catalyst and KyberDAO are now live, and with this, you can now start staking KNC tokens to earn rewards. And over 10 million KNC have been staked in just one day after launch. So let's find out how we can stake KNC, participate in governance, and get ETH rewards. Kyber Network has now added a new staking option for token holders, meaning that holders of Kyber Network's Crystal or KNC, an Ethereum-based ERC20 token, can stake KNC to vote on important proposals. In return, they receive rewards in Ethereum from network fees collected from trading activities on the Kyber network. So we're now in the genesis of Epoch 0, and you can start staking KNC anytime this week on Epoch 0, which ends on the 14th of July. And you can start voting on the first KyberDAO proposal in Epoch 1 of next week, with the next batch of rewards being received in Epoch 2. Which basically means that you can only vote on proposals if you've already staked KNC in the previous epoch. And you won't be able to get any rewards if you don't vote. And Epoch 0 is a special epoch and will only last for 1 week or 7 days. But from Epoch 1 onwards, each epoch will be 2 weeks. Network fees collected during Epoch 0 will all be used to burn KNC. And they'll be the last batch of network fees that abides by the pre-Catalyst upgrade token model. And anyone can stake KNC, vote on proposals, and claim rewards on their platform. There's no minimum staking, the Kyber network does not hold your funds at any point, and you'll always have full control over your funds. Plus, you're free to deposit or withdraw your tokens at any time. To get started, simply open up kyber.org. And you'll need some KNC tokens to stake, plus some ETH to pay for the gas fees. And if you don't already have any KNC, you can get this on the likes of KyberSwap, Argent, or Trust. You'll also need an Ethereum wallet to connect, such as the likes of MetaMask, Ledger, Trezor, or Wallet, Link, or Connect. And the platform is also optimized for mobile and works on any Web3 or dApp browser, so that you can stake KNC on crypto wallets such as the likes of Trust or the Coinbase wallet. And I've got full tutorials of all of these wallets, so if you're not too sure which to choose or how they work, then please feel free to take a look through my videos. So once you have your Ethereum wallet, you'll want to get started. And I'm going to be connecting my Trezor hardware wallet via MetaMask today. So if I select MetaMask, and then if I go across to stake, in here it'll bring across all of your balance from your wallet. And you can select from 25%, 50% or 100% of your balance. Or you can type in the amount into here. And there's no minimums for KNC that need to be staked, and there's no lockup period either. I'm going to go ahead and stake all of my KNC tokens. And then if I press on to stake, you'll then need to grant permission to KyberDAO smart contract to interact with the KNC in your wallet. So this isn't actually you staking, this is just you approving. So if I go ahead and approve, and as you can see, that's going to cost me about 67 cents. So I'm going to confirm. And then I need to confirm my stake. And as it states here, KNC staked in this current epoch will only be active for voting from the next epoch onwards, which is what I was explaining earlier. So I'm going to go ahead and confirm. And the gas fee here is slightly higher at $2.88. And I can edit that if I wish. And work in conjunction with ETH Gas Station to find out the best speeds and rates for this transaction. But for the purposes of this tutorial, I'm just going to go ahead with the gas fee that's indicated at the moment. So I'm going to go ahead and confirm. And as you can see, they're both pending at the moment. So it's been broadcasted, but we're just waiting for the transaction to be mined. So I'm now on the History tab, and as you can see, my stake is now appearing. However, that took a little bit longer to go through as the network became quite congested. And in here, you'll see any past actions that you have in terms of any history. So if we head across to the Vote tab, as you'll need to vote or delegate your vote to someone else in order to receive rewards. However, please note that you will only be able to vote with your current stake in the next epoch. Therefore, this option isn't currently available for me. So as it states, the first proposal will be available for voting when Epoch 1 starts on the 14th of July in 2020. Please stake your KNC during Epoch 0 to be able to vote when Epoch 1 starts. So after the 14th of July, an option will be available for me to submit my vote. And I'll need to ensure that I vote for all the proposals in the current epoch to get my full reward. And as I said, you could also delegate your voting power to a staking pool or to someone else. So if we press on to My Stake, you can see there's an option for Delegate here, to delegate your voting power. Also within this screen, you can view your wallet, which you can go ahead and change. It'll tell you your total stake, and again, you can withdraw that at any time. And obviously, withdrawing your stake will affect your voting power and rewards for the proposals in this epoch. And you can either type in the amount of KNC tokens you'd like to withdraw, or you can select from 25, 50, or 100%. Now, I'm not going to do that at the moment. So how will you claim your rewards? So if we click onto Reward, well, at the moment, we can't obviously claim any rewards because we've been unable to vote. However, they will appear within this list. And once you go ahead and confirm your withdrawal of those rewards, they'll then appear as ETH in your wallet. The rewards you receive are subject to a few network metrics, such as Kyber Exchange trading volume and the total staked tokens. And Kyber Exchange charges around 0.1% fees on every trade on the platform, and 65% of those fees collected in ETH are distributed between all staking participants. So that's how you can stake your KNC with Kyber. And I hope that you enjoyed this video today, and if you did, then please give me a like, hit the subscribe button, and please do head over to my website at everybithelps.co.uk for more tips, reviews and tutorials. Thanks, and I'll see you soon.